Hey everybody. So today on New Mexico Desert Classics, we're going to follow a long-standing trend with lots of YouTubers of doing an unboxing video. Not your standard unboxing video. I'm expecting there's not going to be a ton of styrofoam involved and probably no peeling off of a new screen or anything like that. Instead, this is going to introduce a series that we're going to have on identifying Volkswagen and Porsche wheels. I spend a lot of time trolling eBay and Facebook Marketplace and lots of other places for good deals on wheels. I find they're cheaper than cars, so I like to try to collect them. But I only really like vintage stuff. So years ago, I was able to actually 2 years ago, I was able to pick up a total of 7 Porsche 356 wheels. A mixture of Lemmerz and KPZ, which are the two manufacturers that Porsche used to do their Porsche 356 Y5 steel wheels. And so I've been trying to find a couple more to complete the sets and trying to just I like to pick up wheels when I can get a good deal. And I was on eBay last week, and lo and behold, you've got 325, 400, 250, 199, and then I saw this set for 2 wheels for $61 and 39 bucks shipping. So all in all told, it was actually $108 after tax and everything like that. So we're going to tear into these, and then I'll tell you what we're going to do as we work through them. All right, so as with any unboxing video, you got to have your obligatory utility knife. So these are, I can't remember the date code, I think they're 1962, and they should be Lemmerz, which I don't think that there's necessarily a preference between KPZ, which was the abbreviation for Chrome Prince, and Lemmerz, but I know I personally, this thing's giving me fits. I personally do prefer Lemmerz, even though they're basically exactly the same wheel. And the only reason I do is because that's what I have the most of. So in trying to match up date match sets, wow. All right, this thing's gonna get me after we're gonna fold this in behind here. Maybe. By the power of video, poof, you're down behind there. All right, wow. So this seller actually appears to have packed these pretty well. Now, before we get these fully drug out of here, I'm not expecting them to be in perfect condition. One of them had they were originally not painted, they were chromed, which is really cool if the chrome's in really good shape. But kind of a pain if it's not. And I knew full well getting into these, two early 60s correct Porsche wheels for $108, including shipping. Not expecting a ton, but there's, in today's day and age of patina cars, I think it's pretty cool to have a good patina wheel to go on a car. Oh yeah, this one's got some good rust to it, but still excited here. Let's dig this one out, see if I can not poke my eye out with the utility knife. I don't want to be Ralphie, even though it is getting close to Christmas. If you don't know what that means, if you're young, ask your parents. All right, so yeah, this one's got some good patina to it. Luckily, on the inside of the rim, it does not look like it has sat with water in it for too long. So it seems like as long as it's straight, it should be able to hold a good bead and hold air. So all in all, again, that one's pretty rusty. It's got a good little schwack right there, but that shouldn't keep it from holding air. It's missing no, it's not missing all. It's missing 3 of the 5 clips. These are you just drill them out. You can order new ones. You drill them out and rivet on new clips. So we'll be doing that probably with all 5 of them. All right. So in the next upcoming videos, we're going to go through, and obviously we got to still get the other rim out of here, but we're going to go through all the markings and identify it's always funny growing up in the Volkswagen scene. You know, you see these ads, and well, now it's a little more patina than it was. You see these ads for, yep, my old Volkswagen, it's got their Porsche rims on it, or Porsche wheels. When in reality, most of the time they didn't. Most of the time it was at least in my era, it was a Brazilian mangle, which now, believe it or not, has its own kind of cult following for original Brazilians, because now everything's Chinese. So in the next video, I'm gonna point out the different ways that you can tell a real Lemmerz or KPZ from a 90s or early 2000s mangle. And again, I've got a couple mangles, and I don't harbor any ill will against them. It's just always interesting when people want to tell you that their car they're trying to sell you has Porsche wheels, and you look at it and they clearly say that they're made in Brazil. All right, we're going to cut this one out. If I remember correctly, this one's in a little bit better shape. No, about the same. Ooh, and it's a little, whoa, it's got some nice bendy to it. Okay, so, you know, anytime you order anything on the internet, you stand the risk of not getting exactly what you thought. You know, this one's actually not too bad as far as being able to be straightened, so we'll probably hammer that out. Again, I think it would probably still hold a bead and not have to run a tube. Doesn't look like it's been sitting with any water in them. What you'll find in the next video, I'll show a perfect example of it, because one of my I think it's a KPZ, very similar to these, sat with a half shredded tire outside for probably 20 years, and as the water sits in the rim, the inside, the bead of the tire will sit on this little ledge right here and hold water in here, and you'll find that the rim will actually just rust out in this low spot here. So again, this one is probably, I mean, it looks like a pretty good patina wheel. We might end up using some of these on Lobo, the 69 bus. I think it'd be pretty cool on a kind of a ratty old bus to run some original Porsche wheels. So again, not too disappointed. They're obviously, let's see what, yeah. So they're from January of 1961, and we'll get into how you can tell the date stamps and all of the other stampings in the next videos. So until then, thanks for watching, and again, like, subscribe, and if you subscribe, hit the little bell button. That'll give you a notification anytime we post something new. So getting close to Christmas, so I might just have to keep buying myself some more wheels. So thanks for joining.